Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2015 Dodge Dart SXT, stock number B9030X. 41,000 miles on this one owner, local trade. We sold this Dart brand new, just took it back in on trade, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group Certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. The Dart is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5 with a cloth interior. Dart is in the compact car class, but has the interior space of a mid-sized car. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed manual transmission, lots of storage space in the armrest with auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Dart has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 22 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 34 on the highway. All that with new tires. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboyganauto.com or text SCB9030X to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.